Law firm website template with Divi. We have one paid option and one fantastic free choice. Let's explore these tailored solutions for your law firm. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First, we have a premium law firm website template available in the Divi marketplace for just $8. If this design aligns with your vision, it's an easy purchase. Let's dive into the live demo and explore its features. We start with an engaging hero section. This section is designed to immediately capture the attention of your potential clients with a minimalist design paired with powerful imagery. Next, we have the practice areas section. This portion clearly highlights the areas of expertise your firm specializes in, helping visitors easily identify the services they need. As we proceed, the Our Team section introduces your dedicated legal professionals. The interactive hover effect showcases each member's image, adding a modern touch while building client trust. Moving forward, the Contact Us section features a user-friendly form that potential clients can easily fill out to connect with your firm. This makes inquiries seamless and efficient. Lastly, we have the Footer section. It includes a well-organized services menu and contact menu with integrated social media icons, making navigation straightforward and promoting further engagement with your firm. Now let's explore our free template option, available once you download and install the Divi theme. This no-cost template delivers exceptional value. Begins with a striking hero section designed to attract and engage, providing a dynamic start to your site's visitor experience. Following that, the primary practice areas section clearly outlines the main services offered, emphasizing your firm's strengths and specialized fields. Next up is the Our Partners section, showcasing prestigious affiliations and collaborations that add credibility to your practice. Finally, the Contact Us section offers a straightforward and inviting form, ensuring potential clients can easily reach out for your expert services. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.